Today has been a very important day where residents of Malava Sub-County have had an opportunity to interact with the staff from the Insurance Regulatory Authority. I want to say that this has been a very, very good and quite educative session, because so far so good. I have never attended any session like this. And as a person with disability, I want to say that it has been a very inclusive process where we've seen very many persons with disabilities being given an opportunity to listen to the facilitators who have been taking us through issues around insurances. As a person with disability, I want to say that sometimes persons with disabilities are often left behind when issues of insurance are being discussed. Yet we are equal consumers of insurance. So today is a very great day, because as we go back home, we shall be sharing this information with other persons with disabilities on issues around insurance. One biggest concern that I've even raised during the meeting is the issue of how persons with disabilities are also included at the decision-making table or during the advisory structures. There are very many critical issues that need to be highlighted by persons with disabilities themselves at the planning table, because these are the people who consume the insurance. And I want to believe that there are very few persons with disabilities who have that knowledge. So it is very, very important that persons with disabilities are also included during the formulation policies. We want to ensure that the policies on insurance are very, very inclusive of the issues of persons with disabilities. Once the policies are inclusive, then it becomes very easy for the policies to be implemented at the grassroots. Because as we speak, we have so many policies that I'm not sure if all of them are inclusive. But I want to appreciate that the fact that they have reached out to the community. We've had an opportunity to go through some of those policies, but we still say that there is quite an opportunity for persons with disabilities to be engaged more, so that they also give a voice on what can work well in terms of consuming the policies on insurance that are going to really be very much inclusive to persons with disability. I also like the issue when they talked about how insurance can also support permanent disabilities. As we speak, we've seen so many people with permanent disabilities who are out there suffering. So this is also an opportunity for us to join, and even people who don't have disabilities. Insurance is an opportunity for all of us to join, because we never know tomorrow. So that in event of anything happening, then you have a friend who is an insurance company that is going to stand with you during the hard moments. I want to say that the uptake of insurance is still very low. And that is why I say this meeting came at the right time. Because as we leave this place, everybody, as you interact with colleagues, they are saying, now this is the way to go. And we've never had such a forum. So Bima Mashinani is a great opportunity for everyone, right from the Mama Mboga, right from the teachers, right from even members of the Chamber of Commerce, just to know more about the insurance. Because some of us are not in insurance because of lack of knowledge. And they say, my people are perishing because of lack of knowledge. Now, the knowledge is here with us. And I want to assure you that as we live, you'll see a big number of people joining various insurances company, because in the past, people have been thinking that insurance, they are con people. But today we have a different story. So the narrative has changed. Insurance is the way to go for all of us.